Douglas Mwonzora, leader of the MDC, has publicly criticized CCC members of parliament. He accuses them of silently supporting President Mnangagwa's bid for a third term. According to Mwonzora, their lack of opposition signals compromise. He urges these MPs to take a clear stand against any extension of Mnangagwa's term. Mwonzora's critique comes at a crucial time, as the political climate in Zimbabwe heats up. With the 2024 elections on the horizon, every move and statement gains significance. The silence of the CCC MPs, Mwonzora argues, could be taken as tacit approval of Mnangagwa's controversial agenda. He calls for transparency and accountability, urging MPs to remember their duty to the electorate. As the political drama unfolds, Zimbabweans await the response from the CCC and its members. Will they oppose or remain silent? Stay tuned for more updates as this story develops.